Thanks for coming back to the good channel, guys. So we are back with another video, and we are going to be talking about how to trade NFP and how the NFP went on November 3rd. So this is pretty much the candlestick, the chart for the 1 minute chart for NFP, and we are still moving because I recorded this video on exactly on after the NFP was out. So I just want to highlight an opportunity. As you know, we have a strategy to trade such high volatile news like NFP and the FOMC. So I just want to let you in, guys, on a little secret of ours. So how do we trade such volatile news without risking, without breaking the bank? So normally when our news is going to come out, you will analyze and see where the market is standing. But all in all, for our strategy, what we normally do is we start from exactly when the news is released. Because first thing, you will go to the news factory so that you can see how the report came out. So if the report is in favor of a currency going up like gold, it means you will look for an opportunity in the pullback whereby you can buy at a certain point where you have a good support for the price. So you're going to wait till the price comes back to that point to try and open a position in your favor. So here we can see a move to the upward side of a very good 150 pips, and then a pullback again till we have a price coming back into the support where the price broke out from. Now here you can see a very good opportunity where you can open a position right there. Now here we had a very good position today. We opened exactly at here. We were risking something like 25 pips, and we targeted till here where we had this mini support right there, and it hit pretty fast, something like 5 or 6 minutes, and it had a good it was, I think, something like 50 pips, but it went straight away up to 90 to 100 pips right there. So the strategy we normally use on trading such high volatile markets is wait for a news release to be out, and if you're sure that this is the report, you have seen it, you actually know where the market is going to, wait for a pullback, go to the lowest time frame, which will be the 1 minute, and wait for a pullback into a pretty good strong support for the breakout. That way you will always catch some good entries, and will be very small risk entries whereby you will capitalize on such a very good opportunity. You can use this strategy as many times as possible on all. This will only work better on major news releases. Now major, I mean CPI, I mean NFP, I mean FOMC. Most people normally do not trade this kind of markets, this kind of days, because the opportunities are there but the risks are very high. Now my strategy is wait for the report to be out, understand where the market is heading to, and try to capitalize on that opportunity. As you can see, the price is moving right now, and if you capitalize on such an opportunity right here, it means you will risk something like 20 pips on such an order, and you will be standing to gain something like let's see, something like 40 pips, risking 20 or 22, and the gain is 40 pips. Now this is a pretty good risk, even though I've already closed for the day, but this is such a good order you can always risk your money on. Now here, as you can see, it's already moving, though we had closed our day, but that's always a good place to risk small risks with a high probability gain. It's a 20 by this is 20 pips. Yeah, this is 20 pips, and you're standing to gain something like 40 pips. You're standing to gain 40 pips. As you can see, it's already a 1-to-1 risk to return order is already in play. Now that's an order you're always looking for in the market, in such a volatile market. So that was our update on the NFP. Normally I do not show the trade I have taken, so for purposes of having a discrete information. You don't need to show people exactly every time you place an order, but you can show them the strategy you're using. You can show them the opportunities that are presented to the market and how to approach them. So that was our update on the NFP, and that's the strategy you have to attach yourself to so that you can make some profits in such a high volatile market, which present good opportunities with very, very high risks. This order, I'm sure, is going to keep running till it will hit 19, let's see, it will hit 1995.079. So thanks for watching. That was our update on the NFP of November 3rd, and those were the orders. We had a pretty good order here of a very good 1 to 2.2 risk to return, but it could have gone all the way to 1.3 or 1.35. And here is another one which is a 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 1.9 risk to reward, the risk to reward ratio. But so far it has already moved, I think it's a 1 to 1 for the update. It has already reached 1 to 1. It might reach there, who knows. Let's see. Thanks for watching and keep it up. We'll always keep you updated on the news, on the releases, on the opportunities that are presented throughout the news too. So thanks for watching, guys, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching and keep it up.